Welcome to week 5 of the Seed2Seed Csa. This week we have a couple of new items for you that I think you'll be really excited about. We'll start with some of the same things that we've had the past couple of weeks. We have our baby carrots. We have, some of you will have some of the last of the radishes that we have, the radish blend. This week we have a mix of kale, tatsoi, Swiss chard, and romaine and bib lettuce. We have pulled a lot of our new and baby potatoes, so they're red new potatoes. We have spring onions in the mix this week. Then you'll either have your dozen or half dozen of our eggs. We're doing herbs this week, so edible flowers and basil in your mason jar. And then a really cool thing this week is we have fig leaves. So I will be sending some links in your email for some really neat recipes for doing some stuffed fig leaves. That's everything in the CSA this week, and we hope you enjoy.